In honor of Black History Month, I would like to celebrate one of my favorite children's book icon, Mr. Jerry Pinkney. Illustrator Jerry Pinkney was born on December 22, 1939, in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. He began drawing when he was 4 years old. After graduating from high school, he received a full scholarship to attend Philadelphia College of Art. Jerry then went on to marry and start a family with his wife, Gloria Jean. Together, they have 4 children and 6 grandchildren whom all participate in the arts. Jerry has illustrated over 100 books since 1964. Pinkney's work addresses diverse themes and were usually done in watercolors. A gifted artist, widely acclaimed for his picture books honoring his Black heritage, as well as for his richly detailed works, reimagining well-beloved fairy tales and folklores. He has won many accolades, including the prestigious Laura Ingalls Wilder Award for Lifetime Achievement, the Caldecott Medal, and 5 Caldecott Honors. Wow! Over the years, I had the pleasure of meeting Jerry many times during our author conference appearances, and each time our connection was meaningful. I was always in awe of his presence, his kind words, and encouragement. He puts dignity and pride into every aspect of his work. Sadly, Jerry passed away last year, but his legacy lives on with his beautiful family and his rich body of work.